All right, so this is the last video that I'm creating for this demo. Now, this agent 3, we are going to search documents, business documents. Think of this business document. So I got a couple of documents. This is Oracle AI World 2025 sessions. This is a PDF file. And this is the actual vector search user guide. If you want to search this document, uh, you know, this is about 258 pages. This is 203 pages. So the way it works is I will show you. I have those documents on the object storage. So if you go to object storage, storage buckets, and so here, Gen AI bucket, and within that, I got 2 folders. So that is this Onyx models that I just used it a minute ago. And actually, here. So business documents. So here I got these 2 documents. You see this? Oracle. And we just checked using SQL Developer, you remember, a minute ago. So, all right, this is something else. Oh, okay. So what we are going to do is create the agent. So let's cancel, close this. Agent, analytics, and agents. Agent, create agent. This is document search, right? So just let me copy this, create the agent. And let me just call it business documents search. And here I would say this agent helps search business documents. Okay. I help you answer search business documents and answer your questions. Yes, use the RAG tool. So next, you add the tool. Here, we're going to use RAG tool, and the RAG tool name is business documents. You can call it RAG tool. So when questions are asked on business documents, use this tool, something like that. So you are a search master, something like that. You just or a documents search engine, for example. You can say that search masters. And you create, already have some knowledge bases, but I'm going to show you how to create this. So this is going to be business documents knowledge base. And here you say business documents knowledge base. Object storage, yes. And you can say hybrid search. So here it says lexical and semantic search. It uses both. So specify the data source. So here, very simple, business documents. Object storage. So just same description, just say enable multi-modal parsing. So rich context such as charts, graphs, to allow responses based on visual elements. So we can just check that if you want. And then this is the folder that we are going to use, GenAI documents, and within that, you remember all the documents are in this particular folder, or you can use the specific documents if you want to. So you can just select this document. I could have just selected this folder actually, instead of selecting. So maybe we can do that. So everything in that particular folder, and then you say, if you want to have any prefixes, we can do that also. Object prefixes, specific documents if you want to. Then you say create, all right? Actually, is there, let's see. Okay, it's where to choose the documents. So now this is the object storage. And all right, now we are in the knowledge base, right? So that's what this one is. We provided the documents source, and now you say create. And so you can see this particular tool, right? This tool, we provided the knowledge base, right? This is creating business document knowledge base, it's creating. And then you say after that, you just say tool, add the tool. So now this is the tool that we created as part of this agent. Then you say next, and you just accept all the other defaults and say next. All right. So then you say create the agent. It's very simple. And so it's going to create the agent, right? That's what it's doing. So now we are not going to wait for that. It's going to take about 10-15 minutes to create the agent and also vectorize those documents, those two documents and all that. So I already have the agent already created. So I'm going to use that agent here, right? And I'm going to chat with that. So what are the questions that we can ask? Here are the questions. Go back to that examples, chat examples. Here, I can say, what is the vector database? Simple question, right? So what is the vector database? So it's going to search the knowledge base and answer those questions. All right. Then the next one is, what are the vector indexes? For example, we can ask. Let's see. It should take long. Since this is the first time, I think it has to, it needs time to start that agent, I guess. So it takes a few seconds. After that, it should be fast. Okay. Okay, finally came back. Looks like it's a success here. Okay, so that is the quick overview of what is a vector database. So you got it from there. Then you say, okay, what are vector indexes? Let's see what it says. This time it should not take a whole lot of time. It took, see, now it's very quick, as I said. Now let's go back to the other questions that we can ask. Give me a one-page summary of the vector database. You can, that's another thing that you can ask. Let me ask another question. So this is from the other document. Give me an overview of 2 to 3 presentations on maximum availability architecture, right? So let's ask that question and see what kind of answers we get, okay? So these are from the other document. So see, so it says, these are the things. So it actually looking at this particular session, right? And this is the other one. Now, if you want to see actually the citations, you go here, see, it says, I'm using this particular document and in this particular path. If you want to see that path, you can see that. And these are the page numbers also it gives you. So it's just too good actually. So, all right. So, and it is telling you that it's using the RAG tool. All right. This is for, and so on. So you get the idea, right? So that's the last video I wanted to create. Thank you very much for your time. You have a good rest of the day and happy Thanksgiving.